If you're looking for a way to make our sound practice more accurate and evidence-based, stick around. This is part 4 of the QuickstaRt tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about quest mode in the staRt app. And trust me, it does all the heavy lifting for you in practice. Let's dive in. In quest mode, you get to choose which target you're going to work on. I recommend having your student try to say each one and choose whichever one sounds best for that student. This will help keep practice more motivating and fun. In quest mode, you can choose whether or not the wave is visible. For many students, seeing that visual helps, especially when they're very first starting to get the R sound. But once they've got the feel for it, you can hide the wave anytime, even mid-session. So if the wave helps, keep it. If it becomes a crutch, fade it out. You're in charge. While your student is practicing, you will help them score each production. There are 3 simple options. Gold would be a perfect, accurate R. Silver is not perfect, but showing improvement. Bronze means we're not there yet, so try again. You'll tap the score after each attempt. The app will even celebrate little wins, like hitting the most golds in a row. It helps keep practice fun and feeling like a game. Here's the best part. As you score each production, the app is quietly doing work in the background. If most trials are correct, it'll bump up the level of challenge by making words a little harder, a little longer, or maybe putting them in phrases or sentences. If there are more errors, it'll step the difficulty back down to make practice more successful. It's all based on solid motor learning principles, and this is all done automatically. So no data crunching, no stress, just smart evidence-based practice that adapts to your student. Practice happens in blocks of 10. After each block of practice, that is your cue to step in and give a little bit more detailed feedback. You can reflect on how practice went. For example, you could say something like, "You're getting really close. That last one was awesome." Or you could suggest some changes for the next round, like saying something like, "Let's try pulling your tongue back a little farther this time." Or see if you can stretch out the R just a little bit less and still hit your target. It's quick, collaborative coaching, and it helps the next block feel purposeful and not repetitive. So that's quest mode. Simple, smart, and built to support real progress without adding stress to you. Again, I'm Lindsey Hockel from Rock the R. Thank you so much for joining us for these QuickstaRt tutorial videos. See you next time.